Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Welcome back to our channel. Here with you today, fresh from the UK, 2016 Jag XF Supercharged. And what this thing came in for was a coolant leak. Initially it looked like possibly a water pump leak and all kinds of coolant stains and spray all around the serpentine belt area. But on these, it wasn't quite the case. As we all know, a lot of manufacturers nowadays go with plastic components. This is hidden under the supercharger. This job here, the whole supercharger has to come out. And this is what ends up happening with this. This is the previous tube. And as we can see, this all gets broken over here. This is the remains over here at the end of the tubes with the O-rings. And they crack down in here. This tube's bolted down in, but what will happen here, it will fill the valley here with coolant, and you'll have some running out the back, but primarily out of the front, and it'll be slinging all around your serpentine belt with the water pump running. Like I said, this is a little bit in depth. The whole supercharger has to come off here. That's what we got here. This is the top with the intercoolers. Now when we're doing this, we are going to be using new gaskets. We don't want to be chasing vacuum leaks or misfire issues with this aspect. This is a slightly different design than initially, but it works still the same. Again, they are plastic, they do break. You probably require the front hose here that will break off in the nipple in the middle there. And yeah, we're going to get this thing all back together, fill it up with coolant, cycle it all, wash it all down, make sure there's no remnants or stains of coolant anywhere, and we'll get this customer back on the road. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Urban Automotive, safety first.